On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don tell Judiciary say make dem put body well for special crimes courts. For the All Nigerian Judges Conference wey shele for National Judicial Institute, Abuja, wey dem give name Sustaining Democracy Through Effective and Efficient Administration of Justice, the conference give all Nigeria judges dem better chance to fit take talk on top the many plans and ideas wey dem fit do to see say Naija law matter e tanda well. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari come talk for dis conference as e tok say on top the work wey Naija government dey do to build Naija well under better law matter and correct leadership style. E tok say all the arm of government need work with themselves to see say Naija people get better belief for them.
I must therefore express my hope that this conference will achieve its objective of articulating interventions by which this administration's drive to improve transparency, security, and the expeditious education of commercial, corruption-related crimes, including economic and financial crimes matters, could be enhanced.
E tok say federal government don do better work to fit fight corruption matter and security katakata wey the country dey face. As this one go help bring correct invest matter enter Naija from obodo. E tok say administration don see say dem put better money for judiciary for budget, as e don support say make the number of judges dem wey dey the country make dem grow, as this one follow the throway body put for judiciary sector reform wey im administration dey do. E come tok say with all these many things wey im administration don do, time don reach for judiciary to fit put body well for their work to see say law matter for the country e waka well.
It is time for the judiciary to adopt modern case management systems, initiate a more expeditious case tracking and disposal systems, and provide road mechanisms for judges who maintain highest levels of integrity and efficiency.
President Muhammadu Buhari come use the opportunity to tell them say im administration ready gidigba to work well on top democracy, as them ready follow separation of power matter for the executive, judiciary and legislature, as he can salute the work wey judiciary don do for election matter we finish so.
I am proud to observe that the judiciary both before and after elections has improved in its ability to conclude election matters in a timely manner. There is still room for improvement, and I urge the Chief Justice to initiate a study to understand the challenges of adjudicating election matters and to advise me on the steps that the executive can take to address those challenges.
Naija Chief Justice Ibrahim Tanko Muhammad salute the work wey President Muhammadu Buhari administration dey do on top corruption katakata for the country. As he come talk say dem don see the work wey dey do to carry Naija matter go well unto clear matter wey oyinbo dey call transparency. He come talk say im believe say all the work wey President Muhammadu Buhari don do for im administration, e go get better results as judiciary ready gidigba to work with am to see say everything waka well.
Permit me to assure His Excellency that you have the continued cooperation of the judiciary in achieving mutually beneficial objectives of strengthening the rule of law in the overall interest of the country.
Judicial integrity and rule of law are the underlying principle of justice and the bedrock of democracy.
Make una sabi say the National Judicial Institute of All Nigerian Judges Conference, it tanda for ground to fit help all the judicial members for the country sabi the work wey dem dey do, as dem go know say this one na koko for the country to fit better well on top law matter, and how Naija people go fit get justice unto all the matter the one wey concern them. Make una come sabi say this ogbonge informate wey reach una so on top with tori for today. Na T Live Media na im knack am dey give una, as President Muhammadu Buhari don tell Judiciary Institute say make dem put body well for special crimes court matter. And to continue to dey get this ogbonge and clear informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Una fit still follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. As our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.